Restock and Finish Line. Today I was kind of surprised that they had a bunch, right place and the right time again. Restock and Finish Line and Jimmy Jazz. Alright, starting off, I'm gonna start off with a pickup on Jimmy Jazz. So pick up two pairs. First one, they only have a size 10 on this one. Particularly, I wanted to get more of the bigger sizes, but then the smaller sizes like 8 and below, but then this is the only have on the store. Alright, so here you go. I got here the Jordan 1 mid purple Puss Arctic Punch colorway. So it's kind of a bit more something here. I think I already got me another one, but I can't remember if I already sold the other pair. But definitely the colorway on this one, it is really nice. Not bad though, not bad. Luckily, I also found this one sitting in the store. And also a lot of, when I got there, there's a lot of also a buyer that found out that this one, they had it in the store. So I have here the Air Jordan 5 Retro Grade School sitting on Jimmy Jazz. There you go. Size 5.5 Y or use. But moving on Finish Line, we got a bunch here. So I had to go to the two store to go check this out. We have here the Black Hyper Royal Grade School of Jordan 13. They got stock on Finish Line. Okay. I found this one in Finish Line wherein they put the last sizes in a shelf. Luckily this one is size 6Y, so I pick it up, but if they are size 4, I might gonna stay away. But hey, nice colorway on this one. Keep on picking them up. At the same time, I bought this one at the same store with the Jordan 1 Gold. Got here the preschool 2Y white and orange of Dunk. Man, look at that color. So sitting on the Finish Line, pick them up. Size 2. Look at those. What do you think? We got here Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Grade School white, green, glow, and Arctic Punch. Man, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, check it out if they still have, and then pick it up. But bad thing, sometimes they will let me buy 2 or more. Sometimes they let you buy 2, but they only let me buy 1. So this one is crazy color, and the resale value on this one is pretty much high right now. And this one, it's like kinda Chicago colorway ish, kinda. This one is the women's Air Jordan 1 Low Gym Red, retail $90. This one is the lows. So I pick up, when I'm picking up women's sizes, I mainly go 8 and below. Sometimes if it's good colorway, I'm picking up the 8.5 and above. But nice color, kind of Chicago and black toe in combination of these two colorway. Moving on with a different Finish Line, and here we go. I got about 8 pairs on this store. Just as usual, they won't let me buy 2 pair each. They would let me buy 1 pair each. This one is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Grade School white and Arctic orange. So this one is kind of look-alike of the Air Jordan 1 Retro that might gonna release this month or maybe next month. Another pair of Jordan 13 Grade School 6.5. There we go. We got more here. Hang tight. 6.5 Air Jordan 1 Low Grade School. Okay, there we go. Nice color. White and blue, white and black and red. The last pair on this one. I really dig this one because I like the mocha, a little bit hint of this colorway. The good thing is I could change the lace on this one, turn it to white, something like that, and then it's not gonna be noticeable just for women's. I pick up this size 11, and I think I got the size 12, and I'm still holding on those. Putting on the high price just in case just what happened. If I could sell it on a high price, then I'm gonna let it go. We got a women's Air Jordan 1 Low SE. We got the Jordan 1 Low metallic. They got one more pair, but then I pick up the bigger sizes. The other one is like size 6, so I left that behind, but I might gonna go back tomorrow, pick up more if they got more in stock, and then I might gonna go run around in a different store, because if they restock bunch in a different store, then I might gonna pick it up. And lastly, another pair in grade school, we got the Air Jordan 5 Retro Grade School 7Y. Colorway is the white Hyper Royale Stilt. There we go. I believe I also won in the online. I'm not pretty much sure, but just waiting on those if they're gonna ship it out. But hey, they are sitting on the store. Pick them up. So I got about 8 pairs or 9 pairs on one store alone, and then I went to a different store. I got a bunch more. So I was lucky to drop by, because sometimes I don't really want to go on weekend. But then sometimes they do restock on weekend. Just want to be there early, so that not a lot of people might gonna notice me buying a lot of pairs. So that's it for today on my finished line. They had a lot of restock. So what do you think? Got lucky that sometimes it pays off to drop by on finish line. So maybe I'm gonna. So that is all what we got on finish line. And what do you think? With that said, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo.